Hey guys, welcome to another episode on the Kipper YouTube channel. And we've finally got the Barrawagz here, and we're here at Englishtown on the road course, ready to do a little bit of a test, just a rundown. We've got some tyres that we'll be testing as well, because stoked to announce we've got Vitor on board for the first leg of the tour. So yeah, let's see some Barrawagz action in the USA. Hopefully before it rains. Don't say that R word. Ford Falcon.
Oh, okay.
XR6 Turbo. So the same car that those motors come in.
So is it like what, like a 488 or something like that?
Can't wait to hear this thing. I'll let you get to it.
I think a Stasia. I would need a Stasia in our lineup.
I think everybody needs a wagon,
right? First ride in the Barra, baby. Let's go.
Be safe, no sliding.
Okay. Built this car? How long ago?
I think it's 3 years ago now.
3 years, yeah.
Yeah, 2.5, 3. I don't know. I think this might be its third year of doing things. Last year was in New Zealand. Yeah, I think it came out of COVID, to be honest. COVID build.
Was it a shell?
Bare shell build.
Yeah, bare shell. Yeah.
Everything done in our shop. Wiring, everything. Alright, I was struggling to get grip then.
Oh yeah.
Between the no boost and no grip, it's an interesting combo.
Yeah, right? It's so predictable though, this car, like your driver inputs are minimal, so obviously the setup and everything is exactly how you
Very dialed,
dig it.
yeah. That's the way I like to drive. I like the lazy style.
Yeah.
Different to like some of the Japanese.
Transitions
Like,
are nice and smooth. Yeah. So I think on our Z we're gonna have to adjust the caster, because I have to actually pull the car back.
Yeah, I try and have it set up aggressive caster, so basically you can start kind of like preload it and let it snap.
Yeah, sick, dude.
I forgot all my buttons. This one here, we got a demistable front window. So it's actually got little wires in it. Yeah, just keep the windscreen hot, so if you start breathing heavy, we're not gonna fog up. All right, a little bit of an update. Car is running mint, although it was running only gate pressure. And that is because the flex fuel sensor ain't calibrated right when we tried to set it up. We thought something was up when we changed fuel. It wasn't really dropping the reading, so we're gonna have to play with that. But yeah, as you know, we've got the ignition speed boys here. And now, of course, the rain is here. Typical, god dang it. So we're testing out these Vitors in the dry, quite good. We've only got the 300s right now, so keen to try the 200s. Killed the first set, onto the second, and let's see how they go on the wet. Iron Turk out here, just cutting laps. You know how it is. This is his old school local. I don't know if you know, but yeah, Club Loose and stuff. I'm learning about all this stuff. But Drift Alliance Club Loose back in the day, it's their home track. You can probably tell me more than that, can't you?
Yeah, it is. Well, it used to be a drag strip for those of you that don't know, and I think it shut down like 6 years ago because the strip isn't long enough. So they shut that down, and then obviously the East Coast Drift School and all that, that's been going on here for a few more years, and then they kind of just push that into the Coliseum that you guys see in like the LZ World Tour, Formula Drift and stuff like that. A lot of events. As you can see, there's motocross there, more drifting out here. The Coliseum's way back there. Like there's basically all motorsports here.
It's cool. It's just cold, man.
So I've got to say a shout out to a few of the guys that are supporting this year. One that's jumped on board is, of course, Vitor. Stoked to have them on board. We've got Motul USA, Drift Run of the game, so you can actually drive the Barrawagz in the mobile app, which is gangster, and our home track. Last one was Kansai, jumped on board for the USA Tour as well. I've actually had these exact wheels, the Kansai Tandems, since the start of the build of the car. So they were actually silver, and I got it in powder coated. I tried to match their gunmetal. They're close, not as glossy as theirs. These wheels have held up the test of time. Very strong, nice weight as well to them. You want to be at a wheel that you can abuse and have no issues. So thanks to Kansai. Make sure you jump on their website, check it out. Might even be helping to get some to Australia to make it a little bit cheaper for you. So we'll see where that goes. But let's go slay some wet laps with these wet boy tires.
It's like a bed. I could sleep on this fucking thing.
Do you have that like blue tack stuff, like that stuff you like?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is sick.
That was good. Those tires in the wet.
Yeah, they're not bad. Spongy compound in there. Yeah. Nice and soft, absorb all the heat. They didn't even wear out that much. I expected them to be flat.
Test successful. Happy with that.
Ready for the first event?
Ready to go.
Put it in the trailer and head south.
Load them up and get on the road. Alright, so that's it. Test day done. Kind of cut short because of the wet, but it was good to get out either way. So if you haven't seen this car, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to our channel to check out our tours of the country, throw up where we're going. First up, Mid-Pond Spring Break, then down to Florida for Cletus Burnout Revivals, Grid Life, South Carolina, Final Bout, a whole bunch of others, but make sure you go check out socials, YouTube, all that stuff. Grab some merch and see you on the next video.